And if you're doing this just to make money, you're going to feel empty, because the strength in money is in its flow, right? Money's called currency. If you think about a current, water, stream, it's the movement. A few years ago, Patrickia, there was a credit crunch. There was a housing bubble and a whole bunch of stuff happened. Well, they called that bubble the credit crunch, right? That's because it wasn't a lack of money, it was a lack of credit. Credit is the ability to believe that the money's flowing, believe that you'll pay me back, believe that if I give you these keys, I'm going to get payments, right? It's credit, I believe or not. And so what people were doing, they were hoarding and not holding and stacking wealth. Well, if you take water, I had some water around here. If you take water, right? It's life-giving, it's refreshing, right? You put it in here, but as soon as you put it in here and it's no longer a part of that cycle, that system of replenishing, all of a sudden, it'll last in here for a little while, but there's a date somewhere on these bottles, right? And if you're listening, you got a bottle of water by you, look around, there's a date on there, because it's disconnected from life. It can't last but so long. If your goal is to take your currency, your money, and just hoard it up, it's not serving you. It's not serving others. It's no longer connected to the passion, to the opportunities. You're not utilizing it in the skills that you've honed. You're going to be stale. Your best bet is to utilize, put this water, this currency, those talents to use, right? Those are positive cycles, and the book talks all about it.